Appeal Court gives verdict on electronic transmission of result. Now the news info. The Court of Appeal has overturned a ruling by the Federal High Court in Lagos which had ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to transmit election results in the state electronically. The initial case was brought to the court in March by the Labour Party (LP) along with its governorship candidate in Lagos, Gbadebo, Rhodes, Vivo, and 42 other House of Assembly candidates. The Court of Appeal Court has ruled that INEC has the power to determine the mode of the transmission of election results. They sought a mandamus order compelling INEC to adhere to its regulations and guidelines, which included provisions for electronic result transmission. Judge Peter Lefu of the Lagos Federal High Court granted the requested relief, and the judge further directed INEC to employ impartial and qualified logistic companies free from partisan affiliation for the distribution of election materials. In response to the High Court decision, the All Progressive Congress (APC) sought permission to appeal the ruling. During the appeal process, the ruling party argued that INEC has discretionary powers to determine the mode of transmitting election results. The APC, through its lawyer, also contended that the case should have been filed before the Federal High Court in Abuja, and criticized the lower court refusal to allow the Social Democratic Party (SDP) to join the proceeding, asserting that the matter has significant implications for all registered political parties involved in the 2023 general election. On Friday, July 21st, the Court of Appeal led by the Abubakar Umar agreed with the APC's submission, the Cable reported. The court emphasized that INEC had wide discretionary powers under Section 50, Sub 2 and Section 60, Sub 5 to determine how it transmit or transfer election results. Okay. If my listeners are there, what will be your take on the issue at hand? Appeal Court gives verdict on electronic transmission of results. Please react to that. If you do so, believe, do justice to every of your reactions. Talk the video's opinion. Already popping in from the comment section. The first one is from Innocent. Say, why did you waste money on beavers? Nigeria is dead with corruption. The judiciary even worse. Nigerians in for trouble. Okay, not be small trouble. God will come and help his children. Then from guess our judiciary is a scam, corrupt judge passing verdict in favor of corrupt politicians in a corrupt country, not be small. Then from Mark said, this judge, may God punish your family to 30th generation. The devil shall always take your children merited place and position anytime, anywhere, and same to every other judges that will rule contrary to the Nigerian Constitution and Electoral Act of 2022. The law of karma will visit your lineage forever. It's not a small cause. Then from Sam, you see, even before anyone divide this country, INEC and Tinubu APC will remove the nation from map as a result of their selfishness and corrupt lives. Okay, think of this now. We are wrapping it. Please endeavor to subscribe to this channel and also ensure that you share the very news